guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is literally the same day as I film the last video, but I really want to do a clean with me, you guys. I am ready to decorate for Christmas. Like, I'm ready, okay? I'm ready for this. And so I am gonna go ahead and do my clean with me. My room is a mess right now. I'll show you in just a second, but it's not looking good. Okay, so this is what my room is looking like right now. It is not looking too good, you guys. It needs to get cleaned up a little bit, especially over here. Got my fall decorations still up from last year, and I really want to take these guys down. Let's get this room cleaned up so we can decorate for Christmas, because I'm ready for it. Alright guys, so I pretty much got everything cleaned up in here. I still have these things on my bed because I need to put them in my fall decor. I think I'm going to put that in the living room because I have something that matches it. And I will be doing my living room decor and clean with me probably on a different day. Today's not the day. I'm focusing just on my room today. Alright guys, so here we have our decor for the bedroom. I've got this little garland because I'm pretty sure I'm going to put this around my tree. And I've got some flowers, just some extra little decor pieces, reindeer, things like that. This guy, I don't know where his other antler is and it broke, but you know what? I'm going to make it work. I'm just going to put it in a way that you won't be able to see it. So it won't matter either way. And I have my little nativity scene. I was going to put this in the living room, but I don't think that there's going to be a good place to display it. So I'm just going to leave it out here. Alright guys, so the first thing I did was the shelf, and I think it is so cute. I've got these flowers. It's a bit high up, but that's just because the shelf is. I got this flowers with this Live, Laugh, Love vase, which I think is so cute. I have like a burlap little piece down here. Probably I'm going to iron it because it's a little bumpy, but I think it still looks really cute. And then I've got this peace sign right here. And then I've got these pretty little glasses, and I have LEDs for these. I think I might have Dollar Tree LEDs that will fit, but if not, I'll get some. And then I have my reindeer that you can't even tell is missing an antler, so go me. Okay guys, so the next thing I did, it wasn't too much, but it's a lot to me, to be honest. This is what Christmas is all about. It's right here, you guys. So this is my little nativity scene. I put baby Jesus right next to his mom and dad, and then I just have like the, you know, wise men and all of that, and the little animals. I got an animal up there, and then I used my own angels right there, and I think it's so pretty. Like I said, I didn't think that I would have a spot in the living room to put it, so I put it in here, and I put my little essential oils and things like that just right over there. But I love this. I think it's so pretty. Okay, so I have my little jar right here. Sorry, my husband's being loud in the background. And I have my Christmas tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Christmas tree. I'm going to stick my super glue right there just for right now. And I'm going to open this bad boy up because we are ready to start decorating our tree. I'm so excited. Okay, so, as you see, we have these little things right here. You don't need them, so you just, you know, throw them away, do whatever you want to do. And what you're going to do is you're just going to super glue this to your jar. guys, so here is my finished Christmas tree. What do you think? Guys, everything but the lights are from Dollar Tree, and I think that this tree looks so pretty. I love it so much. So here is an overview of my room. Alright guys, so I am picking this up the next day just to give this an ending. Thank you all so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed decorating and cleaning with me. I had so much fun, and yeah, so that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.